Dear students, welcome to NIR's YouTube channel. So today we will start a new lesson, that is basic ICT skills. So basic ICT skills, unit number 3. Right? So basic ICT skills. So what is the meaning of ICT? So ICT refers to information and communication technology. Information and communication technology. So in information communication technology, so that he has given basic ICT skills 2. So the 2 refers to, in the 9th standard already we have learned basic ICT skills 1, right? So in that particular unit you have already studied some concept, right? So the next, that unit we have in 10th standard, and the basic ICT skills 2 you have. So in the basic ICT skills 2, so in this unit we are going to learn how to create the documents, how to create the presentations, right? So while you are creating the document, while you are creating the presentations, so what are the standard that formalities we have to follow to create the documents, right? So why? Because while you are creating the document, right, when after creating the document, when you are submitting that document to the any person, right, it should be in a readable format, and it should be attractive, and it should have a standard procedures, right? While you are creating the paragraph, or whether it is a margin, whether it is a header, footer, right? So everything we have to be take care of while you are creating the document, right? So regarding that we will study in this unit. Okay, so here we have introduction to word processing. Dear students, in the previous classes what we have studied regarding the computer, so you have studied regarding Microsoft Word, right, 2010. So the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office package we have learned, right, since from standard class 4th or 5th to you are going to study, right, you are learning regarding MS Word or Microsoft Office package, right? So in those classes you have only basic concept regarding Microsoft Office package, right? So here in the Microsoft Office package 2010 package, you have so many applications, right? So starting from Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Access you have, Microsoft Outlook you have, right? So these are the main applications we have under the package called Microsoft Office 2010. So if you come to the introduction to the word processing, so in the word processing, in the sense, we have so many applications like Microsoft Word, right? If you come to the Microsoft Office package, the Microsoft Word or MS Word 2010 is a word processing application. So look at the board, software packages for word processing. Software packages for word processing. Not only the MS Word, we have so many applications we can use to create our document, right? So in our school we have studied Microsoft Word as a word processing applications. Not only the Microsoft Word, right? Not only in our school, in almost all the fields in the workplace we have been used Microsoft Office package, right? But other than Microsoft Office package, we have so many applications, so many packages, software packages we have. So here we have a list of software packages, right, you can use for the document, to create your document. The first one is Microsoft Word 2010 or 2013. We have so many versions we have. Microsoft Word 2013 is a software package. In this package we have MS Word. We have MS Word application. So that MS Word application you can use for your documentation, for to create the documentation, to create the documents. So next we have OpenOffice Writer. Again, the OpenOffice Writer is also a software package. In that software package, we have a word processing application. We have a word processing application like a MS Word. We have a word processing application, right? So you can use the OpenOffice Writer package also you can use to create the documents. And next we have Apple Pages. So again the Apple Pages is also a software package. In that package also we have so many applications like Excel, presentation, a spreadsheet or Word, right? So we have different applications, right? So you can use Apple Pages also. Next we have Google Doc. So Google Doc means Google document, right? So this Google document you may use, right? We may use in your Google Drive. So with the help of Google Drive, or you can create your Google Doc as a word processor, right? Not only the word Google Doc Word, you can have in Google Doc you have Google document, you have Google spreadsheet, you have Google presentation, you have, right? So we have so many applications in a Google Doc, right? So these are all our software packages. So there are all software packages. So dear students, in this unit we are going to study about Microsoft Office or Microsoft Office. In that Microsoft Word we are going to study Microsoft Word 2010 or 2013 study. Okay. So the main intention or the main reason that of using all these packages same, right? So whatever the concept you have regarding MS Word in Microsoft Office package, the same concept you have in OpenOffice Writer, the same concept you have in Apple Pages and Google Doc. So only the appearance of the word or appearance of the page will be different in different packages. Right? So dear students, so from the next class we'll take Microsoft Word 2013 or 2010, and we are going to study about one by one how actually the Microsoft Word will be appear and how what are the different type of tools are available in Microsoft Office Word, right? So that regarding all that we'll see in the next class. Thank you.